Here's a 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is anything but typical. On the inside, you'll enjoy the redesigned instrument cluster. That includes everything from warnings to entertainment. We're confident you'll enjoy the AM/FM stereo with a CD player and MP3 input. And the front and rear beverage holders mean no messy spills for mom to clean up. The third row seating makes family trips or just jetting around town a little less cramped. And when it comes to safety, Dodge understands its importance to you. That's why multiple sets of airbags, a low tire pressure warning, and stability and traction control all come standard. The 2013 Grand Caravan is more than capable and will pleasantly surprise you at every turn. Take a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.